Look around you again. More people, more cities, more consumption. Growth feels normal, but pressure builds quietly. Population growth isn't just about numbers, it's about demand. More people need food, more water, more energy, more land, and every one of those needs pulls on the environment. Let's make this simple. When population rises, demand rises. When demand rises faster than nature can supply, stress appears. That stress shows up everywhere. Rivers run dry, soil loses nutrients, forests shrink, air quality drops. This isn't coincidence, it's capacity being exceeded. This pattern was recognized early by Thomas Malthus, who warned that populations can grow faster than resources if limits are ignored. While his predictions were debated, the core insight still matters. Growth without balance creates pressure. Now let's zoom in. Population growth alone isn't the whole problem. Consumption matters just as much. Two people don't have the same footprint. Urban lifestyles consume more energy. Industrial systems amplify demand. So environmental stress is driven by both how many people there are and how resources are used. Now zoom out. Cities expand, infrastructure strains, waste increases, energy systems work harder. This is where environmental science becomes essential. It studies how population pressure affects ecosystems, water cycles, food systems, and climate risk, and how smarter planning can reduce damage without stopping development. This is why global organizations focus heavily on population and sustainability together. Bodies like the United Nations, through agencies such as United Nations Population Fund and environmental programs, analyze population trends alongside resource availability. Their work informs urban planning, food policy, water management, and long-term development strategies worldwide. These aren't political debates, they're planning problems. When growth is unmanaged, costs rise. Healthcare systems strain, food prices spike. Environmental damage accelerates. But here's the critical point. Population growth does not automatically mean environmental collapse. Education lowers pressure. Efficient systems reduce waste. Smart cities use less energy per person. Sustainable agriculture feeds more with less land. Stress comes from imbalance, not existence. Before we end, zoom out once more. Population growth reveals a central truth. The planet doesn't fail suddenly. It strains gradually. Environmental science exists to spot that strain early and design systems that absorb growth without breaking. In the next episode, we'll explore climate change, where we'll see how population, consumption, and energy use combine to reshape temperature, weather, and global risk. This series is part of the Learning Studio, where complex global systems are explained step by step with clarity and real-world relevance. This isn't about fear. This is about planning.